Everyone, I'm here with my daughter Sophia, and we brought these little bowls, and we are going to plant some jade plants, and we're also going to plant some kalanchoes, or some people call them kalanches, not kalanches, kalanchoes.
Kalanchoe.
Okay.
Okay, I can't
You
spell.
get the picture. So these are the jade plants we're going to put, and we're using these little bowls, and we drilled some holes in here, or made some holes, not actually drilled them, but made the holes in this little stars because it is 4th of July. So Sophia's going to scoop in some soil in for us. Do you want to start doing that, Sophia? Scoop some soil, and Sophia has the soil down here at the bottom. There you go. So she's going to put in the soil in there for us. And she's going to do that for each one of them. And she's going to do she's going to do that for each one of them. That's a hard work.
I'm 2 by 2, I don't care.
Two by two. It's like ice cream, but not really, huh, Sophia?
I'm making ice cream.
So while Sophia's doing that, I'm going to empty this out over here. Okay, Mama? We're going to empty this one out so we can start putting them in these little bowls along with these other plants. So I'm going to empty this out on the table. And they're full of roots.
Actually, this one's going to be my dig and this one's going to be for like this.
Okay. So I don't want to disturb the roots a lot. So Sophia put already some soil in here.
There's some.
The root system on there. So we're just going to add one little plant. Oopsie.
My bad.
And one of these.
Actually, I got a better idea.
Okay.
There.
Awesome. And Sophia's going to add a little bit more soil to top it off in here. So we're going to do that repeatedly. So one of these.
Ready?
One of these. One with roots.
Perfect.
Fill this one up. And our camera person is our lovely mother, Sophia's grandma.
Hey, it's your mom, not my mom.
But it's your grandma.
Ready?
Yes.
Ready.
Okay, so that's what they're going to be looking like.
Woody.
Okay, let me. You're moving really fast for me. Okay. Wait. The jade. You're disappearing the jade. Okay. Grab more. Here you go. So that's what they're going to be looking like. There's another one. We can keep the... Thank you, Sophia.
All right, Sophie.
Sophie, Grandma's calling you.
Yeah.
Cool. You're doing a great job, Mama.
Yes, ma'am.
I need gloves.
You need gloves. What happened to your little gloves?
I don't know. Can I use yours?
Where are the blue ones that I had originally?
Over here.
Where? Oh.
So we're gonna add this one in here. You're gonna use my gloves?
I don't know.
This one.
big, but it
There you
feels so
go.
weird.
And this one's pretty big. So again, we need to add soil in here.
It feels weird.
We need a little bit more soil on this one. Thank you.
Now I can use my hand.
Amigos, le cortamos ¿sí? Para que no esté tan long.
Oh, garden hole.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
Doopy. Doopy.
Got it?
Doopy.
We're almost done, y'all. We're making these for 4th of July.
Today's not the 4th of July though.
Tomorrow. This one's huge with a lot of roots.
Okay, I did this one perfect.
Okay, thank you.
My bowl.
So what I'm doing here is removing some of these leaves down here. Even though it doesn't have any roots at the bottom, it's okay. It'll still grow once they plant them on there. So it has a good system anyway at the bottom, so we're gonna put this one here. This one's pretty big. I might have to remove it.
Don't remove my angel.
So that's what that one looks like. We're almost done. Here's another one with roots.
One more, Sophia.
Here's your ice cream.
Ooh, thank you.
I want to switch so badly. It feels weird.
You feel weird, awkward.
No, it feels weird.
Oh yeah, they're too big for you, I think. Okay, one more, and we're done.
Look, I'm gonna use my bare hands.
Okay, that's fine. Use your bare hands.
Actually,
So here's another one without the roots. I'm just gonna stick it in there. It'll grow roots.
hey!
Oops, sorry. I borrowed some of your soil. This one's gonna be too tall, so we need something smaller. She's getting red. Okay, so this is our last one.
Today I'm gonna use my ultimate shovel.
So we're gonna put 2 on this one. And then since this one has a little bit of roots in here, we're gonna use this one.
Mom, look at what's my foot.
Yes. If it was ice cream, it would have been really scooped,
Well, here's your ice cream.
right?
Now we're finally touching.
There we go. We got it. Okay, hold one and show the audience. So what we got here is a bowl of a star to represent 4th of July. We got the Jade Plants, and we got the Kalanchoe. I think that's what it's called. So these other ones, we're gonna put them up somewhere else. But just so you'll know, this Kalanchoe, or Kalanchoe, you can use the leaf and even insert it anywhere, and you're able to grow the roots with it if you want to. You can use this, stick it in the soil, and it'll grow. All right, everyone. Look over there, Miss Sophia. Say bye to everyone.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. I hope you enjoyed doing these stars with the Jade Plant and the Kalanchoe. Bye.